Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add custom domain to GitHub Pages. So, in order to do this, first of all, get the custom domain. You can buy your custom domain from registered sites. Usually Google domains are considered the best in market. However, you can choose to go with GoDaddy, Namecheap or Hostinger because of their discount price on the domain of your choice. So we have this domain. Now, after you get the domain, you'll have to create a new branch in the project repository and give it a name like GH Pages. Now, make GH Pages the default branch in this repository by first going to settings and clicking the branch tab. Now, go to the options page inside settings and scroll to GitHub Pages section. Here, you'll get the URL to the website that you just hosted. You'll have to visit the DNS management page of the domain that you just bought, and this is the view of GoDaddy's DNS page. Here, you'll have to delete all and then add the 4 A-type records as shown in the image below. The first 2 records are what we have to add. Now, you'll have to go back to GitHub Pages section in the settings and add the custom domain in the field asking for it and hit save. Then the page will reload and you will see the custom domain in the place of the default github.io URL. Now you can see the website hosted on your custom domain, and most of the time it works quickly, but it can take up to 24 hours to connect the custom domain to GitHub Pages. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.